Good for you. Should we go back now? It's really pouring. It's quite cold now. Scared? Sorry? We don't have gloves. What is it, Ossie? Help you what? You can do that. But it's wet. It's wet. Come on, do it now. No, you're not scared.